after the early start. Chandler with a turnaround. Wilson Chandler, who has a 5-year contract, and one in addition he is, and according to George Karl, has been very fresh in the practices he's had.
Yeah, it didn't take him long to warm back up. Coming back from China, he signs that long package and comes out right away. They like his defensive mindset, and they probably like the fact that he can make jump shots, which you just saw in that last sequence. Little pass and cut. There's a step back for you. Chandler with the clean look, drains it too.
The shot clock, and firing it up and hitting the three is Wilson Chandler. In his 7th year from Gonzaga, Chandler hits a three and making a definite statement.
He was eventually going to be their guard of the future. Dropped off suddenly, given the starting time. We see Chandler again hit a jumper. Now back in the starting.
And up ahead of the field is Beaubois, and Chandler gets a piece of it out of bounds, and it's last touched by the Nuggets.
Chandler never giving up on that play. He ran him down, got a great block that time. Looked like a layup. Instead, Chandler runs him down. He's longer, he's bigger. Beautiful block that time. Notice the inside arm, right arm block. Not the left arm, but right arm block.
Here come the Nuggets, under a minute to go, and the basket counts and a foul. Wilson Chandler.
And Nowitzki now complaining the same way Gallinari did to the same official, that where was the contact call on the ball fake. And here you see the lane opens up, the penetration that time, the finish by Chandler. Gets fouled, will now go to the line, try and finish the three-point play.
And Chandler trying to become the first Nugget to go into double figure. Here's Chandler. Chandler taps it in. Second effort by Wilson Chandler, who has 11. Few runs in this game, but not enough to cut the deficit. Wilson Chandler off balance. What a shot by Wilson Chandler, who has 13, second to Aflalo's 16 for Denver.
Well, he plays hard, doesn't he, Dick? He comes at you. I mean, he's full speed, head down, turn the corner, and explode and go strong to the rim. Watch Chandler, aggressive, puts it down, takes it right at the defender, and makes a tough finish from the other side of the rim. And here's